What's going on? Rob Fish here, BikeBandit.com. Join me as we learn a little bit about from Fly. That, guys, that's the brand new Aurora 2 glove. Welcome back. Thanks always for joining me. So brand new from Fly, that is the Aurora 2. Of course, there was the original Aurora, but a couple tunes, tweaks, and a couple basics for you. Black is your only colorway. Size range of a small through a 2XL, and they run right about 60 bucks. Smoking deal. If you ride cold and if you ride wet, serious take some solid consideration into these gloves. Hell of a bang for the buck. So sizing really quick. I normally wear between a medium and a large. Being winter gloves, I usually like to go, if it's in any way questionable, I round up. This is not in any way questionable. I am right to the tip of the fingers. Fantastic. And again, remember in winter gloves, you don't want to be butted all the way up against the very, very tip of the glove. You want a little bit of real estate so that you don't compress the thermal liner, the filling, if you will, that's inside here. But let's get to that in a second. 3 materials in this glove. You'll notice that the palm itself is totally leather all the way down to this cuff, and then you have leather on the fingertips, here on these 2 kind of foam button pads, on your main knuckle system, which you notice is split for increased articulation and dexterity, and then also on the outer portion of your wrist. There's also more padding, again double split, and that is also leather. As overlays, you're going to see from the outside of the thumb here, coming up the finger canyon, and then across the control area, and then all the way down here. Not only a second layer, it's all double stitched, and that's basically a suede. And then if you look in your kind of non-impact abrasion areas, let's say on the base of your thumb, etc., and the entire cuff, except for that extra padding on the outside, that's going to be textile. So one, it looks very awesome because again, you have that contrast of materials, but you get also a lot of functionality so they can save weight by not using leather, which makes a more comfortable glove, etc. You get the idea. Now, you got a couple other components in this glove. This is all for 60 bucks, remember that. 115 gram of real 3M Thinsulate is on the back of the hand and all the way down. And it's 20 grams in the palm. So when you're actually, your interface between your hand and grip is not, you don't have that Mickey Mouse poofy glove feel, but you get fantastic insulation in the riding position. Okay, so you'll notice that it's again a full gauntlet cut glove going halfway down to my elbow. But check this part here, and I'm going to loosen that up, and we're going to fold this back so you can see all this. And that cuff right there, you'll notice nice and tight around my forearm. That is neoprene, so that's going to be kind of wetsuit material, right? Then your jacket would come down, tuck into this pocket pouch right here, and then you would fold that back over it. And then with a drawstrap cinch, you can actually just pull on that, and then it cinches this down. I didn't fold it all the way. There you go. And then you can see that it actually cinches it down and creates a nice tight bind. To get out, obviously just squeeze the control, boom, in and out, right? Fantastic. Closure. One up on your wrist as your main closure system, and then elasticized down here on your wrist. Then the other factor, right? So we've already dealt with the abrasion resistance by the 3 materials. We've already dealt with a thermal barrier with the actual real 3M Thinsulate, and then it's actually got a Hipora membrane built in. So it is waterproof, it is windproof, it is breathable from the inside out. Even I'm amazed, I'm choked up because it's 60 bucks. Really? Solid. Some reflective piping to it. Again, double stitched where you expect it to be double stitched. 60 bucks, smoking deal. Guys, from Fly, that is the brand new Aurora 2. So there you go, gents. Brand new from Fly, that's the Aurora 2. Remember, black's your only colorway. Small to a 2XL is your size range. I think I mentioned it more than once. That's a lot of technology and a lot of feature for 60 bucks. 3 different materials with a full leather palm, leather on your fingertips, leather external, leather over your main knuckle protector. Then you have the Hipora, waterproof, windproof, breathable from the inside out membrane to it. Neoprene cuff, cinch strap, that's going to keep a lot of toasty-mosty in. That's going to keep a lot of the water, of course, out. But then you have that 3M Thinsulate. 115 gram fill on the back of your hand, 20 gram reflective properties, double stitch where you expect it to be. That's a smoking deal. 60 bucks. Fly Aurora 2. If you know you want it, go ahead and add it to your shopping cart now. If your order's over 99 bucks, it'll ship for free. If you have any questions, never hesitate to click on the help button. That'll take you directly to our sales department, and they'll be happy to assist you. You can also email us at service@bikebandit.com, or just pick up the phone and give us a call at 888-339-3888. Once again, we're bikebandit.com, and we love you, so you should like us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Remember, subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark us in your favorites. Thank you for your business, and enjoy the ride.